to my channel. As you already know by the title, that today I am going to share with you my top 10 skincare and hair care products which are under rupees 1000. I did a similar video a few months back wherein I shared my top 20 skincare, makeup and hair care products under rupees 200. If you have not seen that video, here is the link. You can check it out after watching this video. I'll mention the prices of all the products on the screen and their buying links in the description box. So make sure you check it out. And now without further ado, let's begin with the video. The first product in my top 10 list is one of my recent finds. This is the Laneige Special Care Water Sleeping Mask, and this is how it looks, and this is how it looks from inside. As you can see, I have almost finished it. बहुत थोड़ा सा इसमें बचा है, and I have shown you this product in my last Nykaa haul. I purchased it approximately 3 months back and I use it daily as my nighttime moisturizer. जब से मैंने इसे यूज करना स्टार्ट किया है, this has been a complete game changer for me. It's a very lightweight formula and it does not make my skin oily at all. At the same time, it hydrates my skin very well. तो ये oily skin वालों के लिए तो बहुत अच्छा है ही, और dry skin या normal skin वाले भी इसको easily apply कर सकते हैं. And especially in summers, all skin types people can use it. It's very hydrating and very moisturizing. Since it's a bit costly, if you're looking for a cheap alternative for this one, you can go for the Pond's oil-free moisturizer that comes in the blue tub. वो भी काफी अच्छा है, बट इसका हाइड्रेशन उसके कंपैरिजन में काफी ज्यादा है एंड इट मेक्स माय स्किन वेरी स्मूथ एंड सपल. सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट प्रोडक्ट इन माय टॉप 10 लिस्ट. मूविंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट प्रोडक्ट व्हिच मेड इट टू माय टॉप 10 लिस्ट. दिस इज द स्मार्ट पीलिंग हनी ब्लैक शुगर स्क्रब बाय द फेस शॉप. You must have seen me talking about this product in my last video as well. I know it's a bit on the expensive side. It's around 900 rupees, but this is completely worth the money. This is a game changer product, especially for dry skin people. I have used it a lot in the winters and still I am using it because it does not make my skin dry. Instead, it makes my skin very hydrated. It removes whiteheads from the face very easily without scratching the face at all. So if you are someone from a dry skin family, you will definitely love this product. But if you are from an oily skin family, you should skip this product. It's not for you. So this is my second product. Moving on to the next product, which is in my top 10 list. This is the Kaya Daily Pore Minimizing Toner. It is alcohol free and it has witch hazel and cucumber extracts, and it is for all skin types. I have already shared my top 5 toners with you, but this was not included in that because at that time I did not come across this product. और इसको मैंने जब से यूज करना स्टार्ट किया है, I have been using this along with my other toners, but this is something that I like very much. That's why I included this product in this video, and it's I think somewhere around 400 or 450, so it's not very inexpensive, but you get a decently good amount of product. You get around 200 ml of product, so I don't think that it's very costly. Now since it does not have alcohol, it's very good for all skin types, but especially it's very good for sensitive skin. Now it says that it is a pore minimizing toner. I completely agree. After I remove my makeup, I wash my face and I apply this toner, and I can feel that all my pores get shrunk after I apply this. And not only it does minimizes my pore, but also it does not makes my skin stretch unlike other toners which have alcohol in it, and it makes my skin very smooth and very hydrated. And it is also tested by dermatologists, so people who have sensitive skin can also give it a try. So this is the third product in my top 10 list. Moving on to another product. This is again by Face Shop. This is the Smart Peeling White Gel. This is the product. I'll just show you how it works. This is how it looks. And when we apply it on the skin, it starts peeling off like this. So it removes all the dead skin and dirt from our face, and it leaves my skin very smooth and very hydrated. So it's again a very good exfoliator. And I use both these products once in a week. So once I use this and the next week I use this. It removes the excess dirt and oil from our face, and it's suitable for all skin types. But if you have oily skin, instead of using this exfoliator, you should give this one a try. It's again a very good exfoliator and it's good for all skin types. So this is the next product in my top 10 list. Moving on to the next product. This is by M Caffeine. This is Naked and Raw Coffee Body Scrub. And you must have seen me raving about this product a lot on my channel. This list of top 10 products would not be complete without this product. Now I have done a complete detailed review on this product. If you have not seen that, here is the link. You can check it out after watching this video. मैंने इसके बारे में completely in-depth review किया है. जब भी finish होगा, I am going to repurchase it without a doubt. Now as you can see, I have used more than half of the product. काफ़ी यूज़ कर चुकी हूँ मैं, and still a lot of product is there, so you don't need a lot of product. And I use it on my hands, on my feet, all over my body except my face. So this is a very good body scrub. If you have the problem of ingrowth or dead skin on your legs or arms, you should definitely give this one a try. It's a very good product to go for. So this is the next product. Moving on to another product by M Caffeine. This is the Naked and Rich Choco Face Mask, and this is the tub. एंड इसको भी काफ़ी बार यूज़ किया है, बट स्टिल अ लॉट ऑफ प्रोडक्ट इज रिमेनिंग. दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स फ्रॉम इनसाइड. इट completely looks like chocolate and it smells like chocolate. Now this is something which dry skin people will love. I have dry skin and all around the year I face dryness issues on my face and some dry patches here and there, but I cannot use a product which is extensively hydrating or moisturizing because that breaks me out. So this is something that maintains the balance between the two. इसको मैं use करती हूँ probably in 7 days or sometimes in 10 days. I don't use it very often, but whenever I feel that I have some dry patches on my face and my skin is feeling parched or dry, I use this and it maintains the pH balance of my skin. If you have oily skin, then you can go for the coffee face mask or the green tea face mask from the same brand. But if you have dry skin, this is definitely something that you should give it a try. So this is the next product in my top 10 list. Moving on to the next product. This is again by Face Shop. This is the Herb Day Cleansing Cream in the variant green tea. मैंने जब से इसको लिया है, I've been using this to remove my makeup and I have used it quite a lot, but still a lot of product is remaining. I hope you can see. इसमें भी बहुत थोड़ा सा प्रोडक्ट चाहिए होता है एंड यू जस्ट नीड टू अप्लाई इट ऑल ओवर योर फेस, rub it and then you can wash your face or you can use a damp cloth to remove your makeup. This is a very good makeup remover if you have dry skin. It does not scratch my skin and it removes the makeup very gently but effectively. Even if I am wearing waterproof mascara, it removes that as well very efficiently, and it's also very affordable. I think it's somewhere around 300 or 400 and it goes for a very long time. मुझे इसको use करते हुए 6 months हो गए हैं. Most of the time whenever I am doing this much of makeup, I use this only. So if you have dry skin and if you are looking for a cleansing cream, this is definitely the one that you can go for. So this is the next product. Now again I have one more makeup removal and that is also by Face Shop. Trust me you guys, this is not at all sponsored by Face Shop. I wish it was, but it's not. But these are all the products that I really like from the brand. This is the All Clear Smart Cleansing Makeup Remover by Face Shop and this is how it looks. And I think ये भी थोड़ा सा costly है, especially in comparison to the cleansing cream. ये I think 900 या 950 का आता है. Still it's under rupees 1000, but it is costly and you get 250 ml of product. Whenever I do a full face of makeup, I use this cleansing cream by Face Shop to remove it. But whenever I do a little bit of makeup, maybe a BB cream or lipstick or eyeliner, I use this cleansing water to remove it. And trust me you guys, it also removes waterproof mascara. I was quite surprised when I used it for the first time. So this is the next product. Now we're down to the last two products and both of them are for hair care. The first one is the Mamaearth Onion Hair Mask. And this is how the tub is. It's quite a huge tub. It retails for rupees 599. You get around 200 ml of product and I have almost finished this. As you can see, sometimes I use it as a conditioner and sometimes I apply it before I wash my hairs. This is mainly for hair fall control and this has helped me quite a lot in my hair fall issues. In my last video I told you that I use coconut oil along with tea tree essential oil to oil my hair and that has been a complete game changer for me. And apart from that I use this hair mask and I think the combo of these three products have made quite a lot of difference for me. If you are facing any kind of hair fall problem, this is definitely worth giving a shot because I have noticed a lot of difference in my hair fall and it's not very expensive as per the amount that you get और ये भी काफी टाइम तक चलता है. I think it's been more than 6 months since I'm using it and I use it every other week. This is a very good product to go for if someone is facing hair fall issues. So that's that. Now we're down to the last product which is in my top 10 list. This is the BBlunt Hot Shot Heat Protection Hair Mist. This is how it looks. This is the bottle and this comes in a spray form. Now I used to use aloe vera gel in place of any heat protection mist. That also worked perfectly fine, but then I thought I should buy a heat protectant mist because mostly I straighten my hairs whenever I make a video, so why not give it a try. And whenever I straighten my hairs I notice very less hair fall. So this is something which is definitely to be used if you are applying any kind of heat on your hairs. If you want to go for the aloe vera gel, that's also perfectly fine, but if you can afford a heat protection mist, you can definitely give this one a try. And I think this is under rupees 600 or something. Right, it's for rupees 550 and you get 150 ml of product and you just need 4-5 sprays for my hair length whenever you apply any kind of heat. So ये भी काफी टाइम तक चलता है. So this definitely had to be in my top 10 list. So those were all my top 10 skincare and hair care products which are under rupees 1000. I know some of these products are a bit expensive, but they are completely worth the money. And if you guys want me to make more such videos, let me know in the comment section below. And if you like today's video, you know the drill. Give it a big fat thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a video. I'll see you soon next time with some other video. Till then, bye bye.